So we got a ton of snow over the last few days, and we're gonna test the Rokon. It's already seen some snow, but we're gonna see how much snow it'll take. Specs say it'll ford 24 inches. So we're gonna see if it'll actually do that in snow. This is actually the trade that I got. I actually got rid of the snow bike kit for the 490 and the 490 under unforeseen circumstances. So I ended up trading that for this, and this is kind of its maiden voyage also. So we're gonna see if it was worth the trade or not. Okay, so we're just gonna jump right into it. No pun intended. That's pretty good. I don't know, that's pretty deep snow.
That was pretty cool on that jump into it.
Yeah.
It was cool. That's gonna be a...
Just kidding, it's not turbocharged. Don't leave me a comment about being turbocharged. That's third.
Nice.
I don't know, that's pretty deep snow that it's pushing through.
Yeah, I mean, I think it did pretty good. You can see, I mean, it's up there on the tires, that's for sure. I don't know if I got that on video or not.
That was a bigger hole than I thought.
This is actually pretty cool.
Oh, it's doing really well.
I don't think it's that deep. Nice.
Some thick ice. Studs in the next video.
Yep. Dude, that was so badass coming through here. Like this whole carriage bomb, that's a freaking, it's gonna be a cool video. Yeah, this ice is thick.
I gotta get out. Try to like keep my balance on the ice on this side.
Oh. Hey. Your back tire's not spinning.
It's not?
No.
Probably popped the chain.
Nice. How's the White's boots treating you?
Oh dude, whites. Highly recommend. Totally submerged. Not a drop in the boot.
Dude, this ice is thick too. Oh man, this is oh jeez.
Oh, I popped the chain off of the rear sprocket. That's what happened. Here, come over here. Enter the water with me.
I think I'm alright. I got muck boots on, but
Yeah, but they're no whites boots.
oh. Yeah, I just blew the chain off and nice.
No big deal. Again, check this out. Whites. No whites.
Oh man. I don't know when it popped off. It must have been on the ice. That's how you lose that finger.
All right.
You want me to throttle it?
It's not having it. Well, hold on. Hold on.
Did you say go, Bo, go?
No, no. Hold on. Just ever so slightly. A little more. Hey, a little more. Do it. Hey.
Woo!
There it is.
Nice.
I'm pretty sure that's the factory recommendation.
Yeah.
Let's see if we can get out of this snow. Look at that.
This is
Oh.
deep. Look at that. That's like incredibly deep. Wow. You're close. Do you want me to give you a tug?
No, let's just go back the other way.
Go back from where you came. Okay, I should go back up the creek.
Good thing, yeah. The good thing about it not being 1,000 pounds is I can actually pick it up.
Nice. I mean, this is pretty nasty riding conditions, to say the least. That was badass.
All right,
Wow.
I'm tired. Is it a snowmobile? No. Is it capable? More better than some.
Yeah, I'd say depending on snow conditions too, but that did pretty dang good. Nice.
So we're back in the shed. We've got the Rokon kind of melting off, making a glorious mess here that's going to be very icy. But all in all, today was a good day. It did better than I expected, but obviously it's no snowmobile. So our next attempt at what's going to happen here is going to be something a little bit more pokey. So stay tuned for that. I don't know if we quite made the 24-inch mark today. We definitely got close. I know that for sure. But quick shout out to KO Acres for allowing us to tear up his property. You guys should check him out. KO Acres, he does a little bit of everything. If you like stuff, he's the place to check out. So thanks for watching, and if you'd like to subscribe, it's awesome. And you guys keep it real, and we'll see you later.